Hello. So today I would like to talk about breath. And as we all know, our breath is vitally important to our survival. Breath or inspiration is truly that. We're bringing in energy to ourselves, whether it be soul energy, energy around us, or just oxygen, giving our bodies energy. And as adults, we have 4-liter capacity to breathe, but we usually only breathe to 1 liter of that. So we're working with very little. Sort of like our brain, they say we're only using 5%, even though I think that's being disproven. But anyways, most of us as adults are only breathing to 1/4 of our capacity. If you think about how you're sitting most of the day, you're probably crunched up, crunched in with your head forward in front of your neck. And that all, one, sort of condenses our diaphragm, condenses our whole ability to really take in a nice deep inhale. And it also creates a lot of tension in our body, like I've sort of explained with craniosacral. It causes our fascia to tighten so that we're holding sort of this anxious pose throughout most of our days. And so when we do that, we're not breathing to our full capacity. We're not in a parasympathetic state. Instead, we're in a sympathetic state. So by releasing our body, opening up our body a bit more, we're able to then come to a nice full breath. So if you'd like to take your hands maybe to your ribs, we all have slightly differently shaped ribs. Some of us are more diagonal, some of us are more horizontal. Doesn't matter. It just is going to change with how much of our belly we see expanding when we do breathe. Anyways, so if you'd like to bring your hands to your ribcage, you're welcome to, just holding it gently. And I'd like you to close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Bring your awareness to the parts of your body on the earth. And trying to expand your rib cage as you inhale and softening. You're welcome to bring your hands down if you have that awareness of your rib cage expanding. And just doing again, and as you exhale, softening through the jaw, neck, and shoulders all the way down to your fingertips. Let's just keep breathing a little more deeply, lengthening the inhale, lengthening and softening on the exhale. You're welcome to inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth or nose. So we're going to come into what I like to call the diamond breath. It's a variation of box breath where we have a longer exhale, helping us to come more into a parasympathetic state. So let's inhale for the count of 4. Hold at the top. Exhale for 6 to 8. Pause at the bottom and then repeat. You're welcome to continue this practice and just listen to me. And so when we're breathing and lengthening our inhale and exhale like this, we're coming into our full capacity of our breath. This is really important to help tell so basically our lungs will release acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter, which goes into our vagus nerve up to the brainstem to say, hey, I'm in a relaxed space, I'm in a safe space, I can calm down, I can breathe more fully. So then more acetylcholine is released, sent back down through the vagus nerve to our other organs, telling, for example, our heart, oh, we can slow down. Our digestive system, we're in a safe space, we can digest, we can draw out all the nutrients that we need rather than just pushing everything through or coming to a straight halt. So having a nice, full, relaxed breath is really, really so important for our creativity, for our inspiration, for our ability to connect with ourselves, to glow within, and to nourish our whole body. It's obviously also very important to help us sleep. So if you're struggling with sleep at night, try just doing a nice slow breath. You can also do this lying down. And with children, I would actually recommend doing this lying down. With children under 5, you can place a stuffy on their stomach, and they can just watch their stuffy go for a little ride as they inhale and exhale. Older children, even adults, can place a hand on your belly, a hand on your chest, and just feeling the breath rising and falling. And take note of how you feel before and after. This is also a practice that I recommend to all of my clients to do a few times throughout the day as periodic check-ins, just with yourself, your emotional state, and your breath. That way you can release emotions in the moment rather than storing them. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. You can see all my links below to learn more, including getting my free app with lots of fun courses on it that are free, and then some other deeper learnings which are in-app purchases. Yeah, thank you so much for being here, and have a lovely day.